get the page, Daddy.
Thank you, sweetie. I got a question for you, Yaya. Can you tell me what your favorite memory of the cabin is?
Sleeping over at the cabin.
Sleeping over at the cabin. You like doing the sleepovers, hey? Yeah, those are fun. Do you like the food that we cook over the fire?
Yeah.
That means you can eat the leaf. Have a bite of that leaf.
Yeah.
Have a big bite. Mmm. You like it? Do you like running around barefoot?
He's cute, hey?
Daddy, come here,
Oh, I see it. I see it. Can you catch him? Do you like that the windows are low, that you can look out the windows?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I like all of them.
You like all of those memories, hey?
Yeah.
Good. Yeah, we've had good times out here. Where are you going? So, Kaylin, what's your best memory of the cabin?
Only one? I can't pick just one.
Okay, name as many as you want. Name
I think
top
just-
3.
I'm gonna get ripped by summer. Look at these.
Wow, look at those.
Building the Timber Tavern for sure. And then hosting parties.
Anyone else?
Right?
It's a tiny one.
We've had lots of family here and friends, and just being able to host and serve delicious campfire food. That was always fun.
That's your first taste of meat. Is it good? Do you like steak? Is that your new favorite food?
Kind of just transforming this area into what it is now, which is like paradise. It used to be just really, really dark. If you look over here, it was just very dark. We opened it up and really kind of made it our own. The many mornings here, the birds waking us up, and the mist and the fog, and the sunsets, beautiful sunsets over here that we would always admire. And yeah, I don't want to get emotional. It's
Why is mommy crying?
Why are you tired?
I don't know. I remember like we would camp here with our tent and we were building you. I remember feeling your kicks while we were building this, and then it's all happy tears. It's amazing what we did.
Yeah, this is all just a dream, and when we started, there was no idea that there was going to be a little girl running around in it. Oh, good job.
Oh my god.
All right, let's go on to an even better place, right?
Yes. What?
Why are you tired?
So I just get emotional. I cry more when I'm like happy and overwhelmed than I do when I'm sad. I'm not sad. Well, it's gonna be sad to leave this place, but it's been amazing. It's more like gratitude.
Yeah, totally.
Stop! Oh, the hill! Oh, you want to like stop me.
Get my fireworks. You want to throw your balls, or do you want to throw? I can throw yours, or you can throw that one off. Well, we play a fire. Keep our fire going. Yeah, you go first. let it continue to touch slowly until it feels like it's going to be good cheese. So then you can kind of grab it from here. Do you want another pepper? You like peppers? Well, the time has come to dismantle this cabin. And I know that sounds like a lot of work and kind of a crazy idea to a lot of you, but that has always been my plan. When I discovered that there was 30,000 trees here that needed to be cut out in order to thin the woodlot for proper woodlot management, I just thought, there's my log cabin. You know, I didn't own the land, but I always dreamed of making a log cabin, and I thought, you know, let's get started. Let's start making this dream come true. And so started felling the trees, drying them, peeling bark, and building it. And for me, building is really the ultimate pleasure. I have been building forts and shelters and been doing woodworking stuff for a long time, and for me the building is the pleasure of it. And so often I build something and then I forget about it because I'm so excited about building the next thing. And so this has been kind of great because I've been able to build it, learned so much from building it. Now I'm going to dismantle it and I'm going to rebuild it, and I'm going to make a few tweaks so that it's just going to better suit our needs at the new place and make some adjustments that I think will make it even better. So I'm kind of getting an opportunity to rebuild it and create something even better for us in its new location. And it's going to save me a lot of time. The time it's going to take me to dismantle is going to save me a lot more time than trying to build something from scratch again. So yeah, really grateful for everything and this land and the good times here, but it's come to an end and it's time to take this thing apart. Well, the cabin's been completely dismantled. I'm sitting on the last pile of timbers that we got to haul out. We're about to do our last load, and I could not be more pleased with how everything came apart. Everything came apart exactly as planned, and all together it took us only about 6 days to take this whole cabin apart. And so I'm really relieved about that. I got to give a shout out to U2 fasteners, because these are the screws that I used to put it together, and I put a lot of faith in them that they weren't going to bend and snap and break and strip, and they worked exactly as planned. I did have a few floorboards, some of the thinner ones that did snap, but maybe 2% or 1% broke, and that was because I put those thick green 2-inch boards in, and as they're drying, there's a lot of pressure, but for the most part, it came out perfectly. And I'm quite happy about that. I know it seems a little silly to take apart this whole cabin after I just finished building it, but that was always the plan. I mean, this has just kind of been a big hobby project. You know, it's been one of those things that I work on when I got some spare time, and I just kind of slowly make my way through this process. And the idea has always been to take it apart and move it to our final destination when it's done. That time has come. So thanks so much for following along on the journey. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and we'll catch you on down the trail.